We love oranges for their fruity vitamin nature, but we don't realize that we make a huge mistake throwing away their peels. It turns out they can be used in so many different ways. Timestamps: DIY aroma candle 037. Save your plants 1 hour. Keep the insects away 128. Great natural cleaner 153. A natural sponge 239. DIY body scrub 254. Start a fire 322. Deodorize your trash can and smelly fridge. Shoe deodorant 341. Bonus: Orange Smile 416. Summary: Orange Smile. This use of orange peels won't save your plants or refresh your home, but it will surely brighten your day. Get creative with your kids or your friends and start an orange party. Eat the fruit and keep the peels to cut some. Fun crazy designs to stick in your mouth. Now walk around as Orange Monster, trying to stay serious about it. See who will be the first to burst out laughing. Keep the insects away. Orange oil works as a repellent with insects, mosquitoes, cockroaches, and other bugs will leave you alone. If you spray yourself with an orange peel repellent, making it is super simple. All you have to do is dry some peels, blend them with water, and keep the liquid in a spray bottle to be used whenever you need it. Rubbing orange peels into your skin will have a similar effect. If you don't have time to make the spray, DIY aroma candle. Scented candles add a special aroma twist to your house and home. To make one of this yourself, cut the orange in half. Remove all of its contents carefully, leaving the stem intact. Then fill the bell bowl with any cooking oil you like. Use the stem as a natural wick. Voila! Your house will now smell like oranges, and it won't cost you a cent.